Hello everyone, my name is Prakash. Today I will discuss how to make Sigma GPT. Synopsis of Sigma GPT I will cover in this lecture, and then yesterday lecture I will cover how to make a mini project like Sigma GPT. In this lecture you have to provide all the steps you have to follow, and you should follow, and then you are able to make Sigma GPT. This is my web-based platform. I will make it. I have not uploaded yet it in YouTube, so no tension. I will cover it on YouTube. Okay. So today's agenda is my Sigma GPT. How to make Sigma GPT. So you have to name this statement. What is written is. So I am opening my synopsis of Sigma GPT. Then you can see that, and then you have to learn about it, and then next lecture you are able to uh, download this all the possible applications. So let's start. Now there is a mini project. My mini project title of the project is Sigma GPT AI powered conversational assistant. In the Sigma GPT AI powered conversational assistant, you are putting all those things like as a DeepSeek, like you are giving a question in the DeepSeek like Grok AI. But this is a app development. This is a app. Grok AI is like a app. Is also an a web-based platform. DeepSeek is also an web-based platform. Now I am making Sigma GPT as a web-based platform. Okay, so you are clear that my project name title of the project is Sigma GPT. You can converse, you can communicate with Sigma GPT. You can ask questions with Sigma GPT, and your history will be uploaded. Those questions you are asked, and every times your history is uploaded. Okay, you can see your history. So, title of the project is Sigma GPT AI powered conversational assistant. Now, second part is my introduction. In this introduction, Sigma GPT is an intelligent chatbot system. Okay, you all know about, if you know about chat GPT, like I am making as a Sigma GPT like chat GPT. Both are something same. Some facilities are also available in Sigma GPT. You will also able to do this. You can also ask this question, but it will take some time to respond. Okay. So Sigma GPT is an intelligent chatbot system. GPT is an intelligent chatbot system built using OpenAI's GPT language model. You know about OpenAI developer platform. In the OpenAI developer platform, you are able to take all the models like 25 model and all those things you are able to model. Model is like a data set. All the data sets are present in a model. Okay, we have to create a model, but in this mini project we are taking a simple model, so you have to give quick answer, not quick answer, but it will give some time. Okay, it aims to provide human-like conversational responses to user queries in real time. You have to give some queries, and it is able to give the queries response. With the growing demand for AI-driven automation, you know that AI-driven automation automate anything, and natural processing, natural language processing. If you know about this, then it is very efficient. You are able to understand all those things. This project is important to explore how AI can assist in communication, education, and customer support. How I am making this? Because AI can assist in communication. You can communicate with it. Uh, it, it usually helps you in the education field and also help you in customer support. The motivation behind this project is to create an accessible and efficient AI assistant that can be customized for various applications. Okay, you can you can give any related to your applications questions, any AI questions you can ask with it, and it is able to give you. Some time it will take, but it will give you answer. I am taking a mini model project, okay, mini 4.0 model, okay, from OpenAI platform. So my objective is today's mini project objective is to design and develop an AI-based conversational assistant using OpenAI API. You know all about that API, uh, okay? To design and develop AI-based conversational assistant by using OpenAI API, we are developing an AI-based conversational assistant. So this is for all. Okay. Now, second part is going to provide a solution for automated natural language interaction between users and machines. Clear? To provide a solution clear for automated natural language interaction between users and machine. User is like a person, and machine will perform your task. Clear? To create a user-friendly interfaces for seamless communication with the AI model. Okay, to create a user-friendly interface for seamless communication with the AI model. It is like an you know about how work as a Dixit work, how Dixit work, you know about that. So it is like it is able to user friendly interface. It means uh, you are not having any problem to take this AI conversational assistant. You have to search this uh, this projects on web browser, and you are able to access it, and you can easily uh, go through it, and you can easily ask the question with it. Now, the scope of the project is the project covers the development of a backend server that interacts with OpenAI API to generate response by using OpenAI's API. API is a key, which API key we will take under the backend server, and then by using OpenAI API, we are able to generate response under the backend server. Here, the project covers the development of a backend server that interacts with OpenAI's API to generate responses here, and a front-end interface for user to input queries. Front-end interface, without front-end interface we cannot. It is not for it is not for a simple person. Backend is like a programmer. Programmer can do all those things, but the front end has designed for a simple person can use it easily. So I am making a front end interface. So front-end interface for users to input queries and receive answer clear. It focuses on text-based communication and can be extended. It focuses on text-based communication. It is like you have to give any text like an question in the form of text and can be extended to various domains such as customer service, tutoring, and content generation. You can ask anything from this. Clear? Uh, the project's boundaries include handling text input output only, okay, without voice or multimedia integration. It can be deployed as a web application accessible on multiple devices. It is clear for you, I hope. Now I will cover tools and technology. Which tools and technologies are necessary for this for making this Sigma GPT. First of all, programming language like JavaScript. Under the JavaScript, Node.js for backend and React for frontend. All those things will covered in which platform? VS Code platform. I'm covering all those things in VS Code platform here. And second is my database. Which database I am using? Then I'm saying you MongoDB here. Third part is my tools or platforms. Tools platforms like Express.js, React.js, Axios, OpenAI API, Mongoose, .env, Force, all those things I am covering this here. You have to only read it and understand it. Then you are able to make the project like Sigma GPT. Clear? If you don't know about it, then you are not able to understand how to make the Sigma GPT. Clear for everyone? Now I am making hardware or software requirements. Second, fourth point is my hardware or software requirements. Any system capable of running Node.js, okay, and a modern web browser clear internet connection for API access. Okay, internet connection for API access, they need internet connection. Clear? Without internet connection, you cannot access API, and without API, you are not able to response of any question because API is a base of all those things. Without API, you cannot generate your response. So API, if you want to access API, then you have to open your internet here. Any system capable of running Node.js and a modern web browser. Internet connection for API access. Now I am coming on methodology or models. In the methodologies or models, first is my user interface model. User interface model like provides a text input area and displays AI generated response. Okay, user interface. It is like an interface. You are able to give your input using text and you can easily uh, show your response. Clear for everyone? And displays AI generated response. Now, second part is my backend server model. Under the backend server model, handles API requests, processes prompts, and communicates with OpenAI. Handles API requests. Backend server will handle API request clear. Second will cover processes, prompts, and third is my communicates with OpenAI. Backend, what are the working of backend server module? Backend server module handle API request clear. Second, processes prompts clear. Third is my communicates with OpenAI. Okay. Now, third part is my API integration module. API integration module connects to OpenAI GPT. Connects to OpenAI GPT model to generate conversational replies. API integration module connects to API OpenAI GPT module. It allows to connect OpenAI GPT model to generate conversational replies. Here, it connects API integration module, which is like a module. It connects to OpenAI GPT model to generate conversational replies. Clear? Now comes on fourth point, like which database I am taking, which is database module stores user queries and AI response in MongoDB for persistence, and you can easily access the previous chat by using AI assistant. By the AI assistant, you can easily do it. Now comes on fifth point, which is my error handling model. Manages errors and exceptions during API calls. Manages errors and exceptions during by using error handling module. they are they are handling errors and exceptions. You know about exceptions? Exception is like a uh, which 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 is not present in anything, which is not like it is two. I have 5%. Okay, I have 5%. 4% are having same property, but 1% are not mixed. Are not having fourth property compared to 4%. 1% are not having any properties are same. So this is like an exception for a person. Which person? Who, those person are have an exception. All those 5%. So it is an exception during API calls, okay, and user interaction. If user, if any errors comes in user interaction, then it is by using error handling, it solves the user interactions errors here. So now fifth point is my expected outcome. Expected, which how which aspect by using Sigma GPT. What are the exact expect and follow for this Sigma GPT project? What outcome will give this? So I am giving you expected outcome, like the project will result in a functional AI chatbot capable of understanding user prompts and generating relevant, coherent responses. The project will result in a functional AI chatbot capable of understanding user prompts and generating relevant, coherent responses. Clear for everyone? It is like a, if you are giving any queries to this chatbot, like this is an Sigma GPT, if you will give this any questions related to this, then you are able to you are able to uh, uh, show your reply from this chatbot. Relevant, coherent responses. Clear? It will give you a relevant answer, not any other. It will give you answer. Okay? It will also maintain a history of conversation. It will also maintain a history of conversation in MongoDB, enabling improved user experience and data analysis. All those things are has included in this mini project. My mini project is Sigma GPT. Clear? That this demonstrates the practical use of OpenAI GPT models in real-time conversational applications with persistent data storage. Here, this demonstrates the practical use of OpenAI's GPT models in real-time conversational applications with persistent data storage. Clear? Practical use. Okay. Now comes on conclusion. Sigma GPT showcases the potential of AI. Sigma GPT showcases the potential of AI in transforming human-computer interaction by automating communication tasks. It is useful spans multiple real-life applications such as virtual assistant Clear, customer support bots Clear, and education tools Clear for all, making it a valuable project in the field of artificial intelligence and software development. And my team member name is Prakash, which is my name, and name two is my Shubham Kumar Putin, which is my friend. So those all things I'll cover on a next lecture, and you have to focus what I'm taking in this project. You have to focus on all those points, so you are able to make many projects. How to make a mini project? So uh, today's lecture, this is my end time. So if you have any doubt regarding to this project, then you can comment me, and I'm able to give you a response And if your queries is big, then I will make on your response for your video. For your response, I will make video. Clear? So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Clear?